Med administration assignment for my MAP certification course, and here we just have a practice accountable controlled substance book, and we're going to be administering and documenting medication for Tanisha Johnson. We also have some practice medication here, and the important things that we need to remember before administering medication is remembering the 5 rights and the 3 checks. And the 5 rights of medication administration are making sure the correct person gets the correct medication at the right time, the correct dose, and it's being administered through the right route, whether that be like it's oral medication that needs to be administered by mouth, or like medication in a dropper that might need to be administered in the ear, something like that. And then we also have to remember the 3 checks, and those are making sure we're preparing, administering the medication correctly, and then completing everything correctly so that we don't make any mistakes. So here we just have Tanisha Johnson, and this is her book. And here is the 2 medications that she takes. The first one that I'm going to administer is the clonazepam. That is this one right here. And she gets 1 tablet by mouth twice a day. So for this, we are just going to record the date. The date is March 6th. So we're going to write 3/6, and then the year is 23. We're going to put that right there in that slot. Then we're going to record the time. It's 8 p.m. when we are administering the medication. We are going to do that. And then the route that she is receiving this medication is through the mouth. So we are going to write mouth because this medication is taken orally, if you can see that here. And then the amount of pills that we have on hand, we're just going to count. And it looks like we have 22. So we're going to record that there are 22 pills in this container right here. And then the amount used, we are just going to be using 1 because she takes 1 tablet by mouth twice daily. So we are going to be taking, let's see, and then the amount of medication left after we take this one out is going to be 21. So we're going to record that there. I'm just removing this medication from the pack. And I'm going to put it in a cup just so I don't lose it. There's the medication here. And then I'm going to sign this. So we have done that for this medication. And next we are going to work on the, I'm going to butcher this, phenobarbital. And we're just going to repeat the same process. We're going to write the date down. So it's March 6th, 23. It is 8 p.m. So we're going to write that again. We're going to write mouth because that's how we're administering the medication orally. In this pack, there are 17 tablets left. So we're going to write that down, that there are 17. And then we are going to write down that we are using 1. And now there are going to be 16 tablets left. And we're going to sign this. Take this medication out. So we're taking out just 1 pill. And actually, I made a mistake. We're actually going to take out 2 tablets because Tanisha takes 2 tablets by mouth twice daily. So we're going to take out a 2nd pill. We're going to add that to our med cup. We took out 2. So I'm going to alter this, and because I made a mistake, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cross out where it says 1. I'm going to write 2. And then I'm going to initial JC. And then I'm also going to cross out where I wrote 16. I'm going to write 15, and then I'm going to initial JC, and I'll show you what that looks like. Because I made a mistake, I just crossed out the mistake, wrote down the correct, what I meant, write down the correct number, and then initial it, and that's just for transparency. And that is it. I'm going to administer this to Tanisha. I'm going to watch her take it, make sure she takes that medication. Also, I should note that before I even got started, I washed my hands, and I'm going to administer this medication to her, and that is the video.